Jenna from Sip Bite to Go here, and today I'm sharing a full tour of the beautiful Oyster Bay Beach Resort in St. Maarten. From ocean views and incredible food to family friendly amenities, I think this resort will really surprise you on how magical it is. We're invited to check out the food offerings here as part of our St. Maarten Foodie and Family Travel series, and I'll be sharing my honest experience as we go. This resort is located on the Dutch side of St. Maarten, but it's very close to the French side, which makes it incredibly convenient for exploring. Whether you're here for food, family, fun, sightseeing, or the beaches, this is a great home base. Getting to the resort is super easy. You fly directly into St. Maarten Princess Juliana Airport. The resort is not far from the airport at all. You can absolutely take a taxi, and you don't need a car during your stay. There's a lot to do right on the property. But the resort does offer free parking, and we found having a car really convenient for popping around the island. And car rentals in St. Maarten are really affordable. You'll notice most people drive small cars. The roads are a little bit narrow and winding, so the compact cars just make sense. But if you don't want to drive at all, the resort also offers tours and island excursions, so you can really tailor your stay to how relaxed or adventurous you want to be. Before we dive into everything, I just want to tease you with a few views because they're just too good. We stayed in an ocean view room, and I'll give you a full room tour later in the video, but for now, just look at this. The ocean view is absolutely the way to go if you're deciding between room options. One of the first things you notice when walking around Oyster Bay Beach Resort is just how beautiful and pristine the property is. Hold on, this looks amazing. Woo, look at that view. Holy goodness. Oh my gosh. You're surrounded by blues, the ocean, the pool, the sky, and the buildings are stunning. I love the open air lobby concept, which flows right into the dining areas and toward the pool, all overlooking the ocean. There's a bar right out here too, and honestly, we spent a lot of our time in this area. It's just a great central hub of the resort and really enjoyable to walk around. One thing I love was having a beach just steps from our hotel room. On the way to the beach, you pass dining options and the on-site market, which makes it so easy to grab a drink or something to eat. Or you can head straight to a lounge chair and order food and drinks right from the waitstaff. The beach is great for swimming or just relaxing. There were kids playing in the sand, families like ours enjoying the water. It felt very welcoming and laid back. I always like to order a little Caribbean cocktail because the views call for it. And walking along the shoreline here at Oyster Bay is beautiful. It's got a really nice long stretch of beach. So let's hop over to the pool because the infinity pool is incredible. It's been recognized by travel publications as one of the most beautiful pools in the Caribbean. You can order lunch poolside or you can grab drinks at the bar. Depending on the time of day, they have snack menus, lunch menus, and happy hour specials. I let them surprise me with a cocktail, and I love this mango cocktail. It was so delicious. We also got some poolside snacks like chicken wings, onion rings, and coconut shrimp, all the goodies. Everything was crispy, flavorful, and perfect pool food. The views from the pool are unreal. Definitely check the weekly activities calendar. They post things like karaoke nights, live music, and poolside events. As the pool transitions into nighttime, it's still such a vibe. There's a hot tub, night swimming, and this really beautiful, moody view of the ocean that felt so relaxing. Some of our favorite family-friendly amenities included the putting area. There's also a VR room, a spa, a hair salon, and a fitness center with a ton of equipment if you want to keep up your routine while traveling. Now let's talk about the food because as a foodie, this is always so important to me. St. Maarten is known as the culinary capital of the Caribbean, and you really feel that here. There's so many cultural influences and the food scene is incredible. If you're here on a Sunday, do not miss the Sunday brunch at Infinity Restaurant. They have live calypso music, a beautiful setup, and amazing assortment of dishes. Every plate we tried was delicious. And there is a sweet spread that my 6-year-old absolutely loved, plus staples for us like an omelet station. But what really stood out is the pasta station where chefs flown in from Italy are making pasta to order. There are options like fettuccine with mussels, and I absolutely loved my creamy chicken pasta. Everything was so good. You can dine inside or outside with views of the pool and ocean. Definitely make a reservation for this and definitely make sure your stay falls over a Sunday so you can enjoy it. Infinity Restaurant is also great for lunch. The fried red snapper and the grilled chicken mango salad are some of our favorites. For dinner, they offer a wide selection of family-friendly options, seafood, and steak. And they also have a bunch of Italian chef specials too. I started with the chicken parmesan, always a favorite when it's on the menu. The grilled octopus was excellent, and there was also a beautiful Italian tuna dish that night. One of the chefs even brought out a chocolate mousse with diced mango. It was phenomenal. I definitely had to share, but I could have eaten the whole thing myself. Another dining option is the Veranda Bistro, located right next to the on site market and close to the beach. This is such a convenient spot if you're heading to or from the beach. You can stop by in your bathing suit and grab something quick. They offer grilled options, rotisserie chicken, fried chicken, and you can even pre-order pastries the night before and pick them up fresh in the morning. We tried the shrimp crispy chicken, and my son really adores this mac and cheese. At night, the bistro has a completely different vibe. Dining by the beach with the lights glowing is really pretty. You can sit down or grab a seat at the bar. I love the French onion soup. It is so cheesy and comforting, and the burger here is always a solid choice. The grilled chicken skewers with peanut sauce were incredible. I literally dipped everything in that sauce. Right next to the bistro is the Veranda Market, which is an on-site grocery store. I am so happy this was there. It made life so convenient. The prices were very reasonable, and they had everything from wine and cheeses to cooking staples and snacks. Now let's tour our ocean view 2-bedroom suite with a kitchen. I love having a kitchenette in a hotel room, and this one is perfect. It is spacious, well stocked with everything we needed, tools, appliances, and had a full refrigerator. It made the stay feel really comfortable, like we might actually be living there. I think that made it harder to leave. And the balcony, the views are incredible.
I can't believe when I wake up, I just open my curtains and I see this. Oh, shit.
It looks so good.
I know.
Waking up and having coffee on the balcony every morning was honestly one of my favorite parts of the trip. If you're looking for something even more upscale or larger, you could rent the main sail Penthouse. It's beautifully furnished and features a spiral staircase that leads to a rooftop deck with a private jacuzzi, cabana dining area, and your own grill. From here, there are stunning views of the ocean and the property. And in the unit, you have a washer and dryer, a gorgeous bedroom. And for me, that rooftop grilling setup is amazing if you're traveling with a group or hosting a special occasion. Also on the property, you'll find the Lighthouse at Oyster Bay. This is more of a condo style setup where people live and have their own amenities. They actually own their units. And as you arrive at Oyster Bay Beach Resort, you'll pass Coral Beach Club, which is a great option if you're looking for an even larger space with different pool options and full kitchens. Staying at Oyster Bay Beach Resort was phenomenal. I was there in November, and the location, amenities, food, and overall experience made it such a memorable stay for my family. I also visited the property earlier this summer in June, and it was just as spectacular. If you're planning a trip to St. Maarten, I highly recommend considering this resort. Make sure to check out my Sip by Go St. Maarten travel series. I have a lot more videos coming up. I have a ton published already, and I'm sharing more foodie spots, activities, and things to do around the island. And if you're a foodie like me, make sure to get on my Friday Foodies email list. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to show you more of this amazing destination.